If you've been seeing the Fanyil air conditioner all over social media, you're probably asking the same question. Is it actually legit, or is it just another overhyped gadget? Let's find out. The Fanyil air conditioner is marketed as a compact cooling device that's easy to carry and simple to use. It promises to cool your personal space while using much less electricity than a traditional air conditioner. That sounds great, especially during hot summer days. One thing many people like is its small size. It can fit on a desk, bedside table, or office workspace without taking up much room. Setup is also very simple. Just add water if required by the model, plug it in, and switch it on. There's no complicated installation. But here's where expectations matter. Despite the name, many portable devices like this are not true air conditioners. Instead, they often work as evaporative air coolers. That means they can make the air around you feel cooler, especially in dry climates. However, they won't cool an entire room the way a window or split air conditioner can. Build quality is another thing to consider. Some buyers are happy with the lightweight design, while others feel it looks and feels a bit cheap. The cooling performance also depends on the room size, humidity, and airflow. Your experience may not be the same as someone else's. So, is it a scam? Based on what's currently known, there isn't strong evidence that the product itself is a scam. The bigger issue is that some advertisements may create unrealistic expectations. If you're expecting whole room cooling, you could end up disappointed. If you're looking for a personal cooling device to keep nearby while working or relaxing, it may be a better fit. Before buying, read verified customer reviews from multiple sources. Check the return policy and make sure you're purchasing from a trusted seller. That can help you avoid problems later. So, should you buy the Fanyil air conditioner? It really depends on what you expect. For personal cooling in a small space, it may do the job. For replacing a real air conditioner, probably not.